Alarm clocks don't just wake you up. They launch you from dreamland like a catapult into the harsh, unrelenting battlefield of adulthood. These smug little tyrants sit proudly on your nightstand, taking credit for every great invention, Nobel Prize, and coffee-fueled idea ever conceived, declaring, "Without me, humanity would still be oversleeping in caves." And don't even think about hitting snooze. They'll sneer. Ah, yes, deny the inevitable. It's adorable. Truly, they're the self-appointed heroes of productivity, basking in their own annoying glory.